Hello everyone, today I will repaste RX580 Aorus edition. I'll be using Arctic MX4 for that. This thermal paste is really popular and it's widely used in all kinds of applications. As you can see, this gigabyte version of RX580 is really pretty, especially this RGB sign. As you can see, there is much dust in it, so it needs to get cleaned. For this you would need a screwdriver and somewhere to put your screws and not to lose them. I'll be using this plastic from ice cream, but really it can be anything. So let's get started with this. First thing, you want to rotate your GPU. As you can see, there is 6 screws at the backplate of the GPU and you want to remove them all. Let's get to the work. As you can see, they are really small screws, so you don't want to lose any. As well, there is 2 types of the screws. Now you want to get your fingers between PCB and the cooler, and you just want to get them apart. Be careful before taking PCB off cooler, because there is 2 pins that you need to disconnect. And after you disconnect them, you can get cooler off PCB, but be careful, there is 3rd pin. So as you can see, there is much dust in the GPU. Thermal pads are worn out, so we need to change them. I will use this brush to clean it. Now I will use alcohol to clean thermal paste and other dust. Make sure to reapply alcohol multiple times. Now we're gonna remove plastic from the cooler so we can thermally clean it. Now we're gonna clean the GPU die. Now we're gonna connect GPU fans and shroud. Here I'm cleaning the GPU memory. Don't forget to plug in the fans.